World Plumbing Day was established by the World Plumbing Council in 2010. In 2014, we will be celebrating it for the 5th year, and the plumbing community across the globe will be part of this movement. You can regenerate electricity, you cannot generate water. It's estimated that the total fresh water available in our globe is about 35 million cubic kilometers. However, hardly 1% of this is good for human consumption. We keep contaminating whatever water resources we have. It is estimated that 2 million tons of human waste is discharged into our water resources every day. Across the world, over 700,000 children die each year due to communicable diseases caused by contaminated water. Over 194 million girls' school days are lost because the schools they go to do not have basic sanitation and toilet facilities. The purpose of the World Plumbing Day is to reach out to the common man to say that the work that the plumber and the plumbing fraternity does is important. The World Health Organization has recognized that poor plumbing standards could be a cause for spread of serious communicable diseases. Health Aspects of Plumbing is a publication jointly released by World Health Organization and the World Plumbing Council during the World Water Day in Beijing in 2006. The publication gives simple tips on how to get your fundamentals on plumbing safe and right. Apart from the health aspects of plumbing, the World Plumbing Council has released environmental aspects of plumbing, very much like a sequel to the health aspects of plumbing. As the message of the World Plumbing Day says, plumbing vital to global health. This is the message that we are trying to take it to the common man. We as the plumbing community have a huge responsibility to fulfill in this scenario. Let's start by educating our children on conservation of water and safe sanitation habits. How about adopting a school in your neighborhood and doing a water audit there? You will be surprised at what you can see. Over the past 4 years, the World Plumbing Council has been encouraging schools across the world to conduct poster competition among young children from standards 1 to 5. The results have been amazing, and the awareness that is seen in children has been extremely encouraging. The WPC has been rewarding as a small token of appreciation the schools and the children who score in these competitions. To my friends in the plumbing fraternity, I would request that the World Plumbing Day logo be carried on your stationery, advertisements, and wherever else you can. Join the World Plumbing Council as a member today. Follow us on the social media, and let's create a message across the world. Encourage your family members and friends. Also, in this endeavor, this is not the time to talk about what we do not have and what we have lost. This is the time to regroup and save what we have for our future generations, our children and our grandchildren. Let's make a beginning starting from this year's World Plumbing Day on 11th March. Because every day should be World Plumbing Day.